Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I have a designer try on haul. I bought transitional pieces from summer to fall, and with that being said, let's get started. The first item that I want to show you is this beautiful knit top that I'm wearing right now. It's a brand called Kate, and I just discovered the brand and it's so beautiful. All the pieces are just gorgeous. This in particular is so feminine. It has these long sleeves that covers almost half of your hand, and it's pretty unique and I love it. In addition, I'm obsessed with the front of this top. It is kind of like a over the shoulder, but not so much, and it has this heart design here at the front. So look at the back. So it just covers your back, right? But here at the front it has this heart shape that is just gorgeous, and I love it. I mean, I can feel that it's a designer piece because the quality of the material is just superb. The material is a knit material, super stretchy, and it is on the warm side. So I don't recommend that you wear this on a warm summer day because you're gonna be pretty hot. It's pretty toasty. So I recommend that you wear this like on a chilly day, maybe like fall or winter. I think winter is perfect when you want to show a little bit of skin but you want to be warm at the same time. I think this top is perfect. I don't recommend that you wear this on summer because it's pretty toasty. It is a sweater at the end. You can wear it, tuck it in with skirts, and it looks super cute. You can wear this with a denim jeans, or you can wear this with vegan leather leggings. That looks really cute. And if you wear your strappy sandals and your Chanel bag, that just completely elevates the outfit, and I love it. I feel very feminine with this top, and it's super cute. The next item that I bought from Kate is a pair of jeans, and these ones, when I received them, I can tell that are super high quality. The fabric feels really stiff, and I love that. These are 100% cotton, and it has this straight design at the bottom, and they're super high-waisted. Let me show you the bottom that it has. And it has pockets here at the front, and it has pockets at the back. Okay guys, so these are the Kate jeans on, and I love how they fit here at the waist. They're super high-waisted. I love that. These ones are the Danielle style in Lincoln color, and they are 100% cotton. The length is perfect for me because I am 5'7", and these ones fit really good. These ones are size 27, and I can say that they are true to size. I love the color, and I think that they look really cute. These type of jeans with high-waisted design are perfect to wear with crop tops because they look gorgeous together. The next item that I got is this one is from Self-portrait, and I love Self-portrait as a brand. It's incredible. I love all the designs, and when I saw this one with discount, I was like, okay, I need to have it because it's gorgeous. It is a sweater, and I told you I'm just getting ready for the fall, and I love that it has these bell sleeves. It's so cute and so feminine. It is a knit, and it has these details here. Can you see it? So gorgeous. And it has this turtleneck. It is pretty warm, and the design is just gorgeous. This one has a big discount, that's why I got it, and it's selling fast. So this one is size, let me check, I bought size small, and let's see how this fits. Okay guys, what to say about this sweater? Well, I'm obsessed with the sleeves, but you know what? No spaghetti sauce for me when wearing this sweater for sure. Right? But you know what? It's worth it because the design is just gorgeous. The main color of this self-portrait knit is white with black details. This one is 100% cotton and is size small. The best part of this is that this self-portrait sweater is on sale right now. Okay, moving on, I have a pair of Soldering jeans. These ones are high-waisted and they're skinny jeans. I love these ones, guys. You have no idea. My recommendation is that you size up because these run small. These ones are on sale. They have a big discount right now. I'm just gonna link all the items on the description box below for you. You already saw me wearing these ones in another haul, and since then I have been wearing them and wearing them. I'm obsessed with this one. I think that they just became my favorite pair of jeans because they're super comfortable and they just fit like a glove. And here are the Sandals jeans. They're high-waisted but not that much in comparison with the K jeans that I previously showed you. I am literally obsessed with these jeans. I am wearing them with everything. These are my favorite jeans, and the best part is that they're 40% off right now. The next item that I have is another pair of jeans from Soldering. These ones are the black version of the denim jeans that I just showed to you. Unfortunately, these ones, for some reason, even when it's like exactly the same model, the fabric feels a little bit stiff and a little bit, you know, tight. For that reason, they're tight at the hips. So unfortunately, I need to send this back because it's pretty tight here at the hips. So it's fortunate because these were on sale as well, and they're gorgeous. They fit perfect. The length is perfect. I love that they're high-waisted, but they feel a little bit tight at the hips. So for that reason, I'm just gonna send them back. I'm still going to try them for you, but just be aware that they're a little bit tight. These ones are size 28. As I told you, these ones run small, so you need to size up. And yeah, so let me just try this for you so you can see how these fit. And here are the gorgeous Soldering black skinny jeans. They're so cute. Unfortunately, they don't fit here at my hips. They fit a little bit tight on this area, and when I sit down, I feel that they fit pretty tight. Unfortunately, I need to send them back, but this is a problem that I always have with jeans. My hips are pretty wide, and I need to try the jeans on in order to make sure that they fit properly at my hips. Okay, so I have another item that I just arrived from my Teresa, and let's just open this together. So this is how I received my package from my Teresa, and I already talked to you about these ones in my last video. Yes, these ones are the Frankie shoulder pad tops. Look at this, these are gorgeous. And let me just take the other one as well because I bought the black and the white color as well. There you go, this is the white color. So let me just put the box here so it's out of the way. So yeah, so this one is the black one. They sell them on a set of 2, so each one is $75, I believe, and they don't sell them separate. You need to buy them as a set. So you have the black color and you have the white color. There you go, this is the white color, and they're super cute. On this video I show you a similar top from Zara. $90. Expensive to be Zara, it's expensive. So this one is the padded top from Zara. It's size small, and as you can see, it is very see-through. The difference from the Zara and these ones is that the Zara is polyester and these ones are 100% cotton. So I prefer to have cotton over polyester, and the difference on price is like $25. So for $25 difference, you can get high quality designer brand 100% cotton, shoulder pad tops that are super in this fall, and they're super cute and super soft. So I left the best item for the last. So last but not least, I have this Saint Laurent. Can you guess what it is? Let me know in the comments right now. I'm just waiting for you. So I mean, you already saw the box, so I'm pretty sure you have an idea. So let's open this. I love Saint Laurent. I'm obsessed with that brand. I think it's one of my favorite brands besides Chanel. Alright, so okay, you know that are shoes. And these ones, yay! It's so cute. It's a pair of sandals. These sandals are sold out everywhere, guys. You have no idea. I was just looking for them and I finally found them, and I'm so glad because they're gorgeous. They're 100% leather, of course, and the quality is just superb. These ones are true to size. The size is 38. I am a true 7.5 US, and I bought size 38 European, and they're gorgeous. They have this Saint Laurent engraved here, and they have this adjustable strap here at the ankle, and they're super comfortable. I already tried them on and they're super cute. I am planning to wear these ones with dresses, especially dresses, and they look super cute with jeans as well. So yeah, so that's all what I have for this designer try on haul. Hopefully you like it. Please let me know in the description box below which item was your favorite one, and as always, you have the links on the description box below. Please continue watching hauls here, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.